Meanwhile, charges have been brought forward against one of the teenagers accused of bringing a loaded firearm to a charter school in Rochester yesterday morning. Students there were being told can now expect more security measures to be put in place when they return to school. Alex Love joins us now in studio with more on this. Alex.
Both a 14-year-old girl and 13-year-old boy were detained at the Academy of Health Sciences charter school Wednesday, Adam. So far, only the 14-year-old faces any charges, but the school board has announced changes to how students come into school. The weapon involved was a loaded .380 caliber handgun, leading investigators to charge the 14-year-old girl with 2 counts of criminal possession of a weapon in the second degree.
Those are both C felonies. She was arraigned in Monroe County Family Court yesterday and then was transferred to the Monroe County Children's Center, which is a secure detention facility for juveniles.
The Board of Trustees for the Academy of Health Sciences Charter School has since released a statement saying, in part, as a result of this incident, staff will take a more active role in monitoring personal items brought into the building, and students will not be permitted to bring backpacks to school effective immediately. Rochester Police credit the school staff for acting so swiftly.
Everybody worked together that nobody got injured, because obviously any time a gun comes into any of our schools is a dangerous situation. And the school was able to safely resolve the situation, contact us. When we were called yesterday, the gun was already secured.
In their efforts to crack down on gun violence, members of Mayor Evans' administration are urging parents to get more involved to stop their kids from getting access to guns.
Have that conversation about gun violence and what it can do to not only your household, to anyone's household, how it affects the entire community. And I think if we all are on the same page of sharing that message in school, out of school, we have less likelihood of something like that occurring again.
A parent or guardian is your house. You don't need a search warrant. Check those book bags. Check those drawers. Check those houses. And if you see a kid with body armor and it's not Halloween, you got a problem. Or if you see a casing in your backyard, you might want to ask some questions.
The 13-year-old boy who was also detained at the school has not been charged. Police have not released a motive for why the weapon was brought to school in the first place. Adam?
Alex, thanks. If you're having trouble communicating with your child over issues like these, officials are saying you can have a moderator meet you and your family through the city by calling Pathways to Peace, that number 311.